Project Tiny Text Repeater App. Create new project, Empty Views Activity, in Android Studio. Select API 21, then click Finish, then go to the activity main.xml. Firstly, constraint layout change into relative layout. 1. Relative layout, the root layout that defines the overall structure of the screen. 2. App bar layout, a layout that contains the app's toolbar. 3. Toolbar, a toolbar that displays the app's title and menu. 4th, linear layout, a layout that contains the text input fields, number input field, and repeat button. 5. Add to EditText, then assign unique ID, text input fields where the user can enter text and numbers. 6. Then add one button, a repeat button that the user can click to repeat the text. Sets the layout's height, width, background color or image, font style, text color, text size, etc. Copy the image and paste in drawable. Now open mainActivity.java. This is an Android app written in Java, specifically a main activity class that extends app.compat activity. The app takes user input, text and repeat count, and repeats the text the specified number of times, then displays the result in a new activity. Key components. 1. UI setup. The app sets up a toolbar, 2 edit text fields for text and repeat count, and a button to trigger the text repetition. 2. Input validation. The app checks if the user input is valid, non-empty text and a positive integer repeat count. If not, it displays error messages. 3. Text repetition. The app uses a string builder to repeat the input text the specified number of times, appending each repetition to the result string. 4. Output display. The app creates an intent to open a new activity, text output, and passes the repeated text as an extra. Notable methods. 1. OnCreate. Initializes the UI components and sets up the repeat button's click listener. 2. Repeat text. Handles the repeat button click, validates input, repeats the text, and displays the result in a new activity. Now create new activity, Empty Views Activity, open textoutput.xml. The layout is designed for an output screen. 1. Linear layout. This is the root layout, which has a vertical orientation. 2. Toolbar. This is the toolbar for the output screen. 3. Scroll view. This is a scrollable area that displays the repeated text. The scroll view allows the text to be scrollable. It fills the entire available space in the scroll view. 4th, text view. The repeated text will be displayed in the text view. It is centered horizontally. Now go to the textoutput.java. 1. OnCreate method. This method is called when the activity is created. 2. Edge-to-edge display. The edge-to-edge dot enable this line enables edge-to-edge display, which allows the app to extend its layout to the edges of the screen. 3. Toolbar setup. The code sets up a toolbar with the ID toolbar and sets it as the app's action bar. 4. Text view setup. The code finds a text view with the ID output text and sets its text to the repeated text passed from the previous activity. 5. Window insets listener. The code sets a listener to handle window insets, e.g., status bar, navigation bar, and adjusts the padding of the main layout accordingly. Now build app.